Hello friends, I am Shivala Sharma and you are watching Programmer's Colloquy. In our previous lessons we have seen how to convert an infix expression into a postfix expression. Those who have not seen the video may click on the link given below in the description. Now in this video I will be explaining you how to evaluate a postfix expression. This question carries 2 marks in CBSE exam. So let's get started. For evaluating the postfix expression, you have to first understand what is a postfix expression and what is infix and prefix. As you can see in this, an infix notation is where the operators are placed in between two operands. And when operator comes before two operands, it is known as prefix notation or prefix expression. And when operator comes after the operands, it is known as a postfix expression or postfix notation. Now, the question is, evaluate the following postfix notation of expression. Show status of stack after every operation. That means, to solve this question, it is already given in the question, you have to show the status of the stack after every operation. So first of all, you have to understand what is a stack. Stack is a linear structure implemented in last in first out manner, where insertion and deletion are restricted to occur only at one end, and that one end is stack's top. That means you can insert the element or you can delete the element from top only in case of stack. Now when you insert element in stack, it is known as push operation, and when you delete element from the stack, it is known as pop operation. So the question is 8462 minus 143 into and divide. Plus. Now there are few points which you should remember while solving this, while evaluating this expression. The first point is, while reading the expression from left to right, push the element in the stack if it is an operand. That means for evaluating this expression, you have to move from left to right only. But you have to push the element inside the stack if it is an operand. Whereas, if you remember, when we used to convert, we used to push the operators, not the operands. But in this case, while evaluating, you have to push the operands, not the operators. Second point is, pop the two operands from the stack if the element is a binary operator. Now, while scanning the expression from left to right, if you are coming across an operator and if that operator is a binary operator, you have to pop out two operands. Why? Because it is a binary operator and it needs two operands. But in case of a NOT operator, as NOT operator is a unary operator if you remember, in case of NOT operator, you have to pop only one operand from the stack and then you have to evaluate it. After evaluating, you have to push back the result of the evaluation inside the stack. And you have to repeat this till the end of the expression. This is the steps we are going to follow to evaluate the postfix expression. Let's get started now. The example was 8462 minus 143 asterisk and plus sign. For evaluating this, you can draw a table with 2 columns, or you may use even a third column for the calculation purpose. But here we are using only 2 columns because it is only required. The left column is element. Element means this element which we are scanning. And the second column is stack. This is the stack where we are going to push the operands. So now let's begin. First element is 84. So we have scanned 84 and as it is an operand, we are pushing inside the stack. Second element is a operand again, which is 62. 62 operand, so we are pushing inside the stack. Now the third element is a minus. Minus is a operator. It is a binary operator. So in case of binary operator, what you have to do is you have to pop out both the or two operands. You have to pop out two operands in case you are encountering a binary operator. So, but you have to remember one thing, the sequence of calculation should be same as it was in the question. If you remember this point, your answer will never be wrong. That means we are going to evaluate 84 and then 62, not 62 and 84. So it will be 84 minus 62 and the answer will be 22. So what you have to do is you have to again push the result inside the stack, which is 22. Now moving to the next step. Next element is 14. So again we are pushing that inside the stack. Next element is 3. We are pushing inside the stack. Next element is our asterisk sign. For this again we are popping out two operands from our stack. But the sequence again will be 14 and then 3. It's not 3 into 14. It will be 14 into 3, which will be 42. The result again you have to push inside the stack, which is 42. Now the next element is a plus sign. Now what you have to do is you have to pop out two operands now, which is 22 plus 42. The result is 64. Push again the result inside the stack, but there is no any element left in our expression. So this is the final result of evaluation. This is how we calculate, this is how we evaluate a postfix expression. Now children, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at shivalansharma@gmail.com, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.